Welcome to live training. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money online. And this video is basically a live training call for Epic and Grants customers. But still, with your permission, we decided to publish this call on YouTube and other social media channels so everybody else learns how to make money online. Of course, this will be mostly useful to Epic users and to Grants users, but even if you don't have access to Grants and Epic, you can still make money using this video and the information and the step-by-step education we're going to share with you. So if you're watching this video on YouTube or any other channels, I would love you to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines so everybody else learns about it. Everybody else knows about how easy it is to make money online. And this is one of our Warrior Plus accounts. This is affiliate earning for the last couple of days. And let me explain one thing for you. What do we do to make this amount? We made $4,186, but it didn't come from the air, from thin air. It came from the people who clicked our affiliate links, and there are 4,011 people clicked our affiliate links. And they found what we say is good. So what did we say and how did we say? We used video. And we used videos not like these camera and microphone videos. We make videos using our own software, Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image. Look, this is an image, links, and text. Okay, and turn those texts into natural sounding voiceover. In 3 different ways we can add voiceover. So we can turn text into voiceover using Epic. And Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. You can generate text here. So script like this I'm talking, we don't need on Epic. Epic can generate text for itself. Script for itself. And then turn that script into natural sounding voiceover using text-to-speech feature. And Epic allows us to make videos, these bite-sized videos, these small bite-sized videos, and save the campaign as a campaign. And anytime we come back, we can add more sections, we can delete a section, we can edit a section. And here is the best of the best part. Epic link is in the description, you can grab it. And if you upgrade it to the Elite Club membership, then you will get weekly videos made by us, just like this video is made for my Epic users. So the club members can access these videos directly, and they can use their own voice if they want. They can change the voiceover text, they can change the image, they can edit, or they can use as is, or they can just change things here and there and make new videos. Every change will create new video. So this is our secret of running multiple channels by easily tweaking, editing one video, and our customers, our Epic Elite members can do that as well. By the way, Epic is free. The first level is free for everyone. Link is in the description. Now, Grants users can have online stores without paying for Shopify and WooCommerce add-ons, monthly recurring fees. Just for one-time fee, they can have all the features of Shopify and WooCommerce, the best of the best add-ons, and have their own store running within minutes, without their domain, without their own hosting server. Super awesome, right? Grants user can sell anything, physical, digital, and licensed products. All right, so links are all in the description. You can grab it anytime. We're gonna jump into the training. So what I was talking about is these hops. These are the real people who paid us, who watched our content that we made using Epic on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and they clicked our links. They loved our content. They believed in us. They trusted. The trust is built with the content. I'm gonna show you what the content is. It's very, very simple. And then they clicked our links, and from those clicks, we generated this money. So it's that simple. Answering questions, helping people who already paid money for something, their customers. They have problems on something, and we help them solving their problems, getting their answers using our simple videos. So an example, I always give this example, iPhone users are obsessed about their iPhone. They buy apps because almost all iPhone apps are paid. And they buy accessories like this case, okay, and there is a screen protector here. I have another case right here, but I still bought this one because it has one additional feature, that is it has a built-in stand, and the camera protector was with it, but I'm still using with this one. So you understand, these iPhone users are obsessed about their iPhone, and they want to learn more about what's damaging their iPhone, what's good, what's bad, and they keep buying stuff. If you go to Amazon and you search with Amazon iPhone, just iPhone, you see hundreds of types of different accessories people are buying. Okay, so the iPhone buyers are buyers. If we help them and we can attract them through our content, we can have them in our mailing list, or we can have them click our links, they will buy from us and we'll make money. That's pretty much the secret of making money online using particularly affiliate marketing. But again, if you have your own grants store or any other store, you can sell your own product as well, physical, digital, anything. With grants, yes, you can sell digital products, downloadable, PDF, ebook, course, anything you want. Okay, shameless plug, links are in the description, you can grab them anytime you want. Okay, now let me do two things here. Okay, we're gonna make a video now for our Epic Club members, Elite Club members. So create new, and we're gonna add today's date, 28th July 22, and it's going to be iPhone fast charger. So you'll also learn how we make videos for us, how our customers, Elite members, are getting these videos every week, and as a bonus we even give them more. So if you are getting Epic, please consider the Elite Pro membership. All right, so first of all, what we do is I want to enjoy my time while making this video. That's what we do. We have fun. So we check on Amazon, we check on YouTube, we check Uber Suggest. So on Uber Suggest, I found that iPhone fast charger is a keyword that a lot of people are searching for. So I'll give you an example. Let me take a screenshot first. iPhone fast charger is charged by 33,100 people every single month. Either the same people are a few thousand people searching over and over, that doesn't make sense, or new people, 33,000 people every month search about it. Guys, if you have any question, use the chat window and ask me questions so I can stop and answer your question. But I think at the moment you don't need. If I fail to explain you something, please feel free to ask. Okay, so we're going to go first, we're going to understand if we can sell something to directly as iPhone fast charger, or we'll just give iPhone users some tips and tricks they want to hear about charging, about fast charging maybe, and we will just attract them to our content so we can sell them later, okay? So now I'm gonna go super simple. I checked on Amazon, I found fast charger has actually it should have been a lot more. Yeah, right. So fast charger iPhone has 10,000 results. So what I'm gonna do is simply take this screenshot, okay? Visible part. Why? I'll show you. So this fast iPhone charger has 10,000 results. I'm going to use this data, okay? I'm gonna use this data. Done here, copy, and I will go to editor and simply click here in the image section and paste. The image is pasted. That's it. So click upload. You see how easy it is to make videos, informative videos, educational videos using Epic. So just use it on the canvas. I'm gonna put it here, keep it here for future use. I will use this for my video. Amazon fast charger. And then I want to say even better that, hey, don't buy everything. Click the 4 stars and up. So I want to add this arrow. I want to just mention, I want to help customers, iPhone customers, saying, hey, you'll get a lot of iPhone 10,000 results, but don't fall for all of them, okay? So click here, paste it here, and click upload. Don't fall for all of them. Get only the 4 stars and up rating ones. So this is a story I'm making up for iPhone users, all right? So just click save and then add a new slide, okay? Just save changes. Then I want to tell them a story, okay? I already searched on YouTube and I found that does fast charging actually ruin your battery? This topic blew up when MKBHD published this video. So I want to use this as a reference. I will crop this area, copy, and I will go there and I will paste it. I'm making a story around it, okay? Added this, Okay, now I want to know whether it actually ruins or not. So this is a long 10 minutes video. How can I do that? I'm going to copy video URL and search for a software that gives me the YouTube transcript. It will make my life easy. So just paste, go, and probably, yep, I found it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this whole thing. This is long story, long story. And I don't have time to read all this. So I'm going to use an AI software that you may not have access to, may or may not. It's called Jasper. I will leave a link in the description. It's, in my opinion, the best AI software. I will just enter and say, summarize the above, and see what I get. Oh, I got some summary, super awesome. It says the content discusses the benefits of fast charging and how it does not have ruin your battery life. In addition, gallium nitride, la 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 la. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it, hit enter, and why not summarize again and see if I can get some better results or not. It looks much better, okay, super awesome. So I'm gonna get another summary if I can get some better idea. So let's do this again. I think this one is the best answer. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it. Wow, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it right here and add this text here. Okay, I'm gonna add this text and I will save it. So now let's say I want to add voice on this text. So I would record like this. Okay, if you are looking for fast charger for your iPhone, go to Amazon and look for fast charger iPhone, and you will find 10,000 results. But don't fall for that, because if you look for 4 stars and up, you will find only 1,000 results. So remember only to buy the products with rating 4 stars and up. Okay, now I can add this recorded audio. Let's listen to it. If you are looking for okay, I got it. So now I'm going to make them show when I'm talking about it. Then let's say I want to use the text to voice feature. So I will copy this and go to the audio section, click add to audio, name it, choose the quality, choose the voiceover artist, paste it and submit. The job is done. Go to the recorded audio section and click add. If you want looking, no, not this one. I should check the text to audio section and click add. Now,
this video provides an overview of the benefits and drawbacks of fast charging technology.
Awesome. So we just made a story about iPhone fast charging and what MKBHD says, whether the fast charging ruins their battery or not. Now I'm going to add some more slides before and after and finish this video for the elite members. But this is basically how easy it is to make videos using Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. This is the basics of making money online. Have a clear intention to help people. If you want to sell and make money, then target the people who are already spending money on the internet on something and they're looking for more information or help about their purchase, and help them with their purchase. This way, you target only the buyers, you help the buyers and build relationship. Then when you promote them something, they will choose you to buy from. So that's it for today. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the chat box. If you're watching from YouTube, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, because this way you help your friends and family learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And of course, everybody gets free access to Epic, link is in the description, go grab it. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.